Welcome back, students. Today what we are going to do, we are going to revise this exercise, we are going to solve the questions of this exercise 12C, right? Today is 6th and we will solve the questions of this 12C and we will try how much questions we can solve at a time. The rest questions you will do yourself. Okay, let's start. I think in the morning you must have read this chapter का B part. ये वाला part was left ना. So आज आप लोगों ने in the morning you must have read this chemical properties and uses and all. Now let's solve the questions. The first is write the molecular formula, electron dot formula and structural formula of ethene, or you can say ethylene. So ethene का if I talk about the molecular formula, you have to write, you have to do this homework. Now you have two options. Either you can do directly in your book or you can write it in your notebook. You have both the options, but I need work completed. So first का A part is molecular formula. Molecular formula of ethene क्या होता है? इथीन और इथाइलिन molecular formula होता है C2H4. Okay. Second is electron dot formula. Electron dot formula क्या हुआ? If I'll make the electron dot formula of ethene, it will be like carbon carbon 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This is hydrogen 1. This is another hydrogen 2. This is the third hydrogen 3. Again similarly for this carbon also. And this carbon will complete its octet by taking all the electrons 8, and same for this 8. This is the electron dot structure. Now C part. C is structural formula of ethene. Structural formula is like this: hydrogen 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 hydrogen. This is the structural formula. Now the second question is, the molecules of alkene family are represented by general formula CnH2n. Answer the following. What do N and 2N signify? So basically N signify number of carbon atoms, and 2N signifies that if there is one carbon atom, then it will be hydrogen will be twice as that of carbon. So twice of number of hydrogen atom. What is the name of alkene when N is equals to 4? When N will be 4, then the name of alkene will be, I can write hydrogen anywhere. They haven't mentioned specifically, so I can write double bond anywhere. It will be mit ith prop bute, bute 1ene, or it can be bute 2ene also. It can be bute 2ene also. How bute 2ene? When I will put double bond in the center, it will be bute 2ene. Right. Now the next question is, what is the molecular formula of alkene if there are 10 hydrogen atoms? So basically I am not going to write 10 hydrogen atoms, उससे हम नहीं निकाल सकते. See, we have studied that their general formula is CnH2n. We have studied alkenes का general formula होता है CnH2n. Now if there are 10 hydrogen atom, then how many carbon will be there? Hydrogen is double than that of carbon, so it will be C5H10, right? What is the structural formula of third member of alkene family? Structural formula of third member is, see, this is number 1 member C2H4. Smallest alkene is this C2H4. C1 कुछ नहीं होता है alkene में, there is no as such C1. So C2H4 first member हो गया. This is the first member. Second member C3H6 हो गया. Third member क्या हो गया? C4H8. So they are asking third member is C4H8. इसका structural formula will be double bond hydrogen 2 hydrogen 1 hydrogen 2 hydrogen 2. So this is the structural formula of the third member of alkene. Next is, distinguish between unsaturated hydrocarbon ethane and unsaturated hydrocarbon ethene. We have to distinguish between ethane and ethene by drawing their structural formula. Now see, ethane क्या हुआ? CH3, it is CH3, CH2, sorry, ethane ना, ethane is CH3, ये ethane हो गया. What is ethene? Ethene will be CH2 double bond CH2 by drawing their structural formula. So this is ethene. Correct? Now this is which one? Third ka A. This is third ka A part. Now move on to third ka B part. B part is saying draw the structures of isomers of butene and write their IUPAC name. So let's write the structures of third ka B. We have done it thousands of times, I think. Butene, butene के isomers. एक तो ये आइसोमर हो गया, ये एक हो गया, इसका आइसोमर ये हो सकता है. No, hydrogen one will come. ठीक है, and we have to name it also. This is but 1-ene. This is but 2-ene. One more isomer we can make like this. This is another isomer. Okay, इसका नेम क्या होगा? 1 2 3 prop 2 methyl prop 1-ene. This is the IUPAC name of these three, right? Now fourth, give a balanced equation in the laboratory preparation of ethylene. How is the gas collected? So ethylene is also known as ethene, and its laboratory preparation is by treating it with concentrated sulfuric acid. As we treat ethylene CH3 ethanol को we take and we treat it with concentrated H2SO4. ठीक है, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड होता है. सो पहले स्टेप में क्या होता है? CH3 CH2 HSO4 is formed with the release of water, and in the second step this CH3 CH2 HSO4 is again treated with concentrated sulfuric acid maintaining temperature 170 degrees Celsius, and then CH2 double bond CH2 is formed with the release of H2SO4, right? This is the laboratory preparation, correct? Now fifth, how is ethene prepared by dehydrohalogenation reaction? Dehydrohalogenation, हाइड्रोजन भी निकालना है एंड हेलोजन भी निकालना है. उसका तो एक ही मेथड है, दैट इज अल्कोहलिक KOH. सो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? आई विल टेक CH3, इथीन बनाना है हमें, इथीन CH3 CH2Br. I will take halogen group. Now I will treat it with alcoholic KOH, hot and concentrated alcoholic KOH. alcoholic KOH क्या करेगा? Br एक निकलेगा, ठीक है, OH और इसका H एक निकलेगा. So what will happen? CH2 double bond CH2 will be released. यहाँ से one hydrogen we have taken. We have taken only one hydrogen, and here CH2 will come with the release of KBr with H2O. Dehydrohalogenation. हाइड्रोजन भी निकाल दिया, हेलोजन भी निकाल दिया. इसका B part, what is the B part of this? B part is dehydration reaction. We just have to remove hydrogen. Dehydration. Ethene बनाना है by removing hydrogen. How will we remove hydrogen and to form ethene? हाइड्रोजन हटाना ना, डिहाइड्रेशन है और डिहाइड्रेशन है. ओके, हाइड्रोजनेशन इज डिफरेंट, हाइड्रेशन इज डिफरेंट. डिहाइड्रेशन मीन्स वी हैव टू रिमूव वाटर. सो ये CH3CH2O5 है. इसमें इफ आई ट्रीट विद एलुमिना Al2O3, एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड और एलुमिना एट 350 डिग्री सेल्सियस, देन यहाँ का OH और यहाँ का वन हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम हेयर OH and hydrogen from here, one hydrogen from here will be removed. Now what will left here? Two hydrogen will left here, one is removed, and CH2 will be left here, double bond will come. What is left? HO and H, that is H2O. H2O is released. Now what is the C part? There is no as such C part. Sixth question now. Now sixth question. Ethene when reacts with halogen and bromine. Ethene, this is the sixth question. Ethene when reacts with halogen, chlorine and bromine forms saturated products. Name them and write the balanced equations. Okay. Let's make ethene the A part. Ethene CH2 double bond CH2 on reacting with chlorine. First it will react with chlorine and secondly it will react with bromine. Okay, so what will happen? One chlorine will go here and the another chlorine will come here. So it will be CH2Cl, CH2Cl. Okay, and here it will be CH2Br and CH2Br. What will be the name of these species? They are asking name them and write balanced equation. So we have to write the balanced equation. CH2 CH2. Okay, it is balanced. We have to name it. What will be the name of this species? It will be 1,2 dichloroethane, and here it will be 1,2 dibromoethane. Right, now the B part. What is B? Give the condition and the main product formed by the hydrogenation of ethene. Hydrogenation of ethene का main product, and we have to write conditions also. So here ethene CH2 double bond CH2 on hydrogenating it. Okay, conditions. Hydrogenating कब होता है? In the presence of nickel catalyst at 200 degrees Celsius. One hydrogen will go on this carbon, the another hydrogen will come on this carbon. It will be CH3 single bond CH3. Right? Now next is seventh is convert ethanol into ethene using solid dehydrating agent. Ethanol into ethene. Ethanol is C2H5OH into ethene, CH3CH3. How will I convert it? By treating it with, they have given using solid dehydrating agent. अच्छा, सॉलिड डिहाइड्रेटिंग एजेंट कौन सा हुआ? देखो, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट इट इज़ लिक्विड. Concentrated sulfuric acid is liquid, so we will treat it with alumina, Al2O3. At 350 degrees Celsius we get ethene with the release of water. Right? CH2 double bond CH2. It will be CH2 double bond CH2. I'm so sorry. Right, now seventh का B part with hot concentrated sulfuric acid. So hot concentrated sulfuric acid के साथ क्या होगा? We will treat it with concentrated H2SO4. ठीक है, at 170 degrees Celsius alkene will be formed, CH2 double bond CH2 with the release of water. Correct? Give only balanced equation. We have given balanced equation. Now eighth is write the following properties. Physical state of ethene. Ethene की physical state, order, density as compared to air, and solubility. All these you will do at yourself, by yourself, because it is very easy. How would you convert ethyl bromide into ethene? Eighth is, sorry, it is ninth. Ninth is ethyl bromide, ethyl bromide into ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. Now how will I convert? I will take one bromine from here. I can treat it with alcoholic KOH also. On treating with alcoholic KOH, KBr is released और यहाँ से H2O will be released. Right? So here KBr will release and H2O will release. Okay. Now ninth का B part. B is ethene into 1,2-dibromoethane. Ethene CH2 double bond CH2 into 1,2-dibromoethane. 1,2-dibromo. How? I will treat it with bromine Br2 in the presence of CCl4. I will treat it with Br2 in the presence of CCl4. Okay, and after treating it with Br2, CCl4 आपकी presence given नहीं है, but आप इसको learn कर सकते हैं. CCl4 की presence में we can get this. Now third is ethene into ethane. Ethene into ethane. How will I convert ethene into ethane? Ethene is CH2 double bond CH2. On hydrogenating it in nickel as a catalyst, we will get CH3 single bond CH3. So see students, in only 15 minutes of time, I have completed 9 questions. I have completed almost 9 questions. Rest 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. You do it yourself. Okay, अगर फिर भी if we will get the time, then we can discuss it on live class also, but try to do more and more reactions by yourself. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.